How to turn on or off RCS messaging on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new tutorial, and on today's video we will see how we can turn on or off RCS messaging on Android. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to launch your message application in your mobile device. After that, navigate to the top right corner and tap on your profile icon. From this menu bar, you have to tap on message setting. Once on your settings page, tap on General. Now under General again, if you navigate at the top, there is an option as RCS Chats. Tap on it. Now at the very top, you will have an option to turn on or turn off the RCS Chats. If you turn on the toggle, it's now turned on, and in my case, it already turned on. Now if you like to turn it off, simply turn off the toggle and then again tap on turn off. So that's how you can simply turn on or off RCS messaging on Android. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.